Got 2 taste tests for you today in honor of Junk Food Tuesday falling on National Junk Food Day, which is just, I mean, the perfect day for that. So our first taste test today, as announced, are RITZ Cheese Crispers 4 cheese and herb. Right there, see those?
Oh no, I'm trying to see the other taste test that you
the
have
other
hidden
taste
that
test?
you haven't
I have that hidden. Yeah, you haven't
yet.
seen that one yet. So open those, and we'll try these out. So I don't recall what the 4 cheeses are, but they're all like white. Because the crackers are white. It said somewhere online, I just don't remember.
It doesn't say.
I do know that there are little green specks on there, and those are supposed to be parsley, but you don't actually taste the parsley. The herb flavor is actually a part of the other natural ingredients that are on the inside. Alright, let's look on the inside there. Don't look bad. Little hexagonal shape crackaroonies all there. Alright, I'm going to grab one here. Ooh, this one's puffed up all nice.
Ooh,
look at that.
Matt says.
Look at that puff. Look at that puffage.
I was still trying to. Oh, dang.
Yeah, really
Hey,
puff.
mine
Yeah, you
too.
got a puff too. All right, I'm a fan of puffs. All right. That's a little bit more of a complex, like, cheese flavor. It's not a standard.
I taste Parmesan.
Yeah, I definitely taste Parmesan. So, if Romano in there as well. Maybe
That's
a white.
probably what it is.
Maybe a
Parmesan,
white cheddar.
Asiago, Romano.
Asiago is likely one of them. Yeah.
What would be the 4th one?
Could be like a white
Cheddar.
cheddar. I'm feeling like a little bit of a cheddar hint in there as well.
Well, there is cheddar on the picture.
Ah, all right. Then that makes sense to me.
And then parsley.
What do you
I
think?
mean,
Would you eat them normal?
I think so.
Yeah, I like these.
I don't love them, but I don't hate them.
The cheese flavor is bold, though. I mean, there's a lot of flavor. Like, I don't know if I could have, like, a whole bowl of these. I feel like it might be too much, too overwhelming.
Dang, you can eat 21 of these for 140 calories.
That's not bad. That's
not
probably
bad at
all
all.
I'd want to eat at the most.
Well, at 3, I'm kind of like, yeah, that's, it's a bit strong. So,
But I like the texture a lot, too. And it's still, I can't tell if it's a cracker or a chip. It's really right in the middle for me.
I mean, it's a crisper.
Yeah, it's almost like rice-like, you know, like almost
Yeah.
like a puff rice kind of texture to it.
It has 0 Ritz taste to it.
Yeah, it doesn't taste like a Ritz cracker at all.
all,
Not
period.
even a little bit.
But it is good. Potato and wheat chips. That's what I'm calling them.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, I like it.
yeah,
I
that's
like
pretty
it.
good.
All right. Thumbs up for me. Thumbs up for you.
I'm going to do a thumbs.
Middle thumb.
Yeah.
It's all right. It's not bad.
It's not bad.
I'd eat it if that's all that was in the house.
Right. And the great thing is I'm not coming anywhere near the 140 calories.
For real, yeah. You could get a handful and it wouldn't even register on your life.